It's one of my favorite Maine fishes. It's right here in the Gulf of Maine, caught year-round. It's beautiful, and it's awesome for fish fry. So we're going to be cutting this up into little chunks, and then we're going to use our famous fish fry flour, and then a little bit of egg wash, and then finally we have this remoulade sauce, which is awesome. All right, so I want to share what is not included in the box, and you're going to have to get on your own. It's very easy. You probably already have it in the fridge, and that is eggs and butter. That's it. We include the remoulade sauce, the flour, and the fish. And what I'm doing, and you'll see what size chunks here, just 3 inches by 2, or maybe, yeah, right around there. But nice chunks, 2-bite chunks. And we're just going to chop these up a little bit, and before we get them ready for frying. And I already have the saute pan going. I like to use a medium heat, so as we don't cook them too fast. All right, we are going to get these ready for the fry. So first, do a little bit of powder, get it all over, then a little bit of egg wash, and then we flour again. Make sure you're getting it all over, and we plop it in our bowl, and repeat. All right, so yeah, you get all that last one. Make sure you get plenty on there. So now I think we're ready to fry. All right, I said we already preheated. I got my special tongs here, and then we're just gonna put it in nice and gently. And so really, haddock or any white fish this thin really doesn't take a long time on either side. So, just let it brown a little bit for a couple minutes on one side, flip it over, and I like to do the thumb test. If it's firm, then it's ready to go, but cooks pretty fast. All right, so it's been about a couple minutes, and you'll see it's nice and brown there. It smells amazing. I know you can't smell it through the video, but boy, it's beautiful. All right, I think we're ready. So we're just gonna take them out. I like to, because we fried it, right? I like to put them on a paper towel, and just gets the extraneous grease out. All right, so I think they've cooled down enough. What I like to do is, with any white fish, I love just to squeeze a little bit of lemon on there, or a lot. I love lemon on white fish. And then if you want to make it pretty, any kind of fresh herb, probably a parsley or something like that, just to dance over a little bit. I know we still have a paper towel on there, but your family, right? And then the big part. That was awesome.